Hey Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to replace the front seat on this Nissan Sentra, and the reason why we're replacing the front seat is because of this, and I think we will be replacing the back seat as well because of that. So let's get started. What we're going to do, make sure the car is off, because this seat have like a weight bladder in the seat, so it detects when somebody is in the seat and turn on the airbag. And also you have airbag in the seat, and you don't want your airbag light to come on, so you want to make sure you have the car off. So just make sure this is straight up. Slide this to the front. So when you slide it to the front, you're gonna have this screw right here exposed, this screw right here exposed, and we need the torque bits for that. So it seems like it's a T50 torque. Take that out. Same thing for this one right here. Take that out. And now we're gonna go in the front and slide the seat all the way back. So now we gotta go in the front, remove this right here. Right here, slide back. Now we gotta come into this side, and we're gonna take this off. So this one is a lot tighter, so I'm gonna get a ratchet handle. So what we're gonna do now is lean the seat back. Now we're gonna have access to these switch right here. So first thing, wherever you see yellow, it have something to do with airbag. Take that out. This is the occupant sensor module, and take that out. These you can rock them back and forth like this until they come out just like that. Same thing for this one. So there you go. Now what we're gonna do is turn the seat on the side. Once it's like that, now you can do one sweep and get it out the car as easy as that. So when you're gonna put in your other seat, you wanna make sure you do the same. Set it on the side and then you sweep it in. So this need to be clean, so I'm gonna clean these up and then put in the other seat. So let's do this. Get it on the side. And now what you want to do is connect your wires. There you go. Time to bring it down. So you just want to line up the holes. There you go. You want to catch your screws. So you want to catch your screws. Alright, so there you go. So guys, if you look right here, after you set the seat, after you connect the seat, you just come and start it up and you check your airbag to make sure your airbag light don't stay on. So you can see my airbag light went out. So the next thing we're gonna do is remove the back seat now. So guys, time to remove the back seat. It's really easy on this. You don't need to disconnect anything. You can have the car on and off, whichever way you choose. So you want to hold, like, you can kneel on it, but all the way in the back, not at the front. Hold the edge, do like a sharp pull up on it, do like a sharp pull up on it. You can pull up on this like that and it will come out. So you just want to clear the seat belt as well, so you can kind of push them down. So now would be a good time to clean like all this stuff that's back here, to clean it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put back the seat and have the detail guys clean it. They normally take up the seat as well, but so I'm just gonna put back the seat so you guys know how to do it, and when they're gonna clean it, they will just take up back the seat. So let's get the new seat. Even though I'm thinking that I should just let them do it, but I'm gonna show you how to put it back. So you want to put the seat belt through. So once you put your seat belt through like that, or you can just use this to hold the seat belt so they don't drop through, and pull them up just like that. You can do it that way. Pull up on this just like that guys, and do the same thing for this side right here. Push it down, line up these hooks right here, like these hooks. You gotta line them up with this, push them down in that, and the job will be complete. And that's how you change it. I'm not gonna change it because I'm gonna leave it, make it easier for the detailer guys, but you can do it. There you go. Peace out. See you next time.